Make a cheap meal in the microwave. Are you looking for a meal that will fill you up without costing a ton? Any college student should know how to make a cheap meal in the microwave. The problem is that pre-packaged foods, like TV dinners, aren't very nutritious, and usually don't turn out very well, since they've been frozen. This simple meal can be made in just minutes in the microwave with ingredients that you can keep on hand. Every meal should have a protein, a starch, and a vegetable. Though this meal is cheap, it still includes all three. Here's how to make a cheap meal in the microwave. Ingredients and supplies: 1 potato, frozen chicken nuggets, 1 can of green beans, microwave fork, 2 microwave safe bowls, can opener, butter knife, butter, salt or pepper, optional, baked potato toppings. Directions: prepare the potato. To bake the potato in the microwave, first wash it and poke it with a fork a few times, which will allow the steam to escape while it's cooking. Then place it in a bowl and microwave it for about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on its size. You can poke it with a fork to see if it's turned soft yet. If the potato is still hard, microwave it for another minute or 2. When done, do not cut it open yet. You may want to cover it with a clean kitchen towel to keep it warm while you cook the rest of your meal. Cook the chicken. Now, cook your chicken nuggets according to the directions on the box. You can make as many or as few as you'd like. Cook the green beans. Open your can of green beans and place them in a bowl without draining any liquid from the can. The liquid will keep the beans from drying out as they cook. Make sure that your bowl is microwave safe. Add butter, salt, or pepper, if you prefer. Then, microwave the beans for 1 minute. Finish your baked potato. Now that the rest of your meal has been cooked, slice open your baked potato and any toppings you have on hand, like cheese or butter. Enjoy. This simple meal can be made in 15 minutes or less, and it is very filling. Unlike most hot meals, it is very easy to make. Plus, you'll actually know what you're eating, unlike TV dinners with unsatisfying portions. If you're looking for an easy and fast meal that's also filling, try this. It's easy to make a cheap meal in the microwave. If you don't like green beans, you can substitute any other canned vegetable. Just read the directions on the can before you cook them.